What do drones mean to us? Opportunity, innovation, future. We believe that drones are pioneers in industrial solutions. With their help, numerous processes become faster, more cost-effective, and more efficient. Whether it's agricultural spraying, area surveying, construction, or security assignments, we can offer you a solution. As the domestic distributor of the world's largest drone manufacturers, we can offer you the most modern machines and accessories. And furthermore, you can find individually developed drone solutions. You can also experience the potential of drone technology as a learner, as you can choose from many of our industrial drone pilot trainings. Our instructors have international experience and are up to date in both technical innovations and regulations. Our training is provided by a state-of-the-art institute for adult education. After passing the exam, you can continue your drone career with a pilot drone certificate and marketable theoretical and practical knowledge. Since the launch of ABZ Drone, the goal has been to play a leading role in the industrial distribution of drones, not only in Hungary, but throughout Europe. We are constantly looking for new ways and opportunities in the field of industrial drone solutions. ABZ Drone, industrial drone solutions from A to Z.